National Weather Service in Lake Charles has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Cameron Parish in southwestern Louisiana, northwestern Iberia Parish in south central Louisiana, Lafayette Parish in south central Louisiana, southeastern Jefferson Davis Parish in southwestern Louisiana, south central Evangeline Parish in central Louisiana, Acadia Parish in southwestern Louisiana, northern Vermilion Parish in southwestern Louisiana, northwestern St. Martin Parish in south central Louisiana, southwestern St. Margaret Parish in central Louisiana, until 10 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 9:13 p.m. Central Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Maxey to Lyons Point to 7 miles south of Klondike, moving east at 45 miles per hour. Hazard, 70 miles per hour wind gusts and penny-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect considerable tree damage. Damage is likely to mobile homes, roofs, and outbuildings. Locations impacted include Lafayette, Crowley, Abbeville, Eunice, Jennings, Scott, Breaux Bridge, Lane, Carencro, Catlin, Church Point, Lake Arthur, Iota, Gaydon, Arnotville, Mermentau, Fort Island, Klondike, Evangeline, and Broussard. Remain alert for a possible tornado. Tornadoes can develop quickly from severe thunderstorms. If you spot a tornado, go at once into a small central room in a sturdy structure. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Large hail, damaging wind, and continuous cloud-to-ground lightning are occurring with these storms. Move indoors immediately. Lightning is one of nature's raging killers. Tornadoes can develop quickly from severe thunderstorms. If you spot a tornado, go at once into a small central room. The National Weather Service in Lake Charles has issued a special warning building. Large hail, damaging wind, and continuous cloud-to-ground lightning are occurring with these storms. Move indoors immediately. Lightning is one of nature's leading killers. Remember, 45 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Severe thunderstorms capable of producing water spouts.
Action information kit, absolutely free.
This ain't what you want.